Hey fam, it's the Southern Girl Chantel Yvette. Welcome back to part 3 of our real life small kitchen and home renovation series. Thanks for following along to see how a homeowner, contractor, and interior designer continue to work together to renovate a typical ranch style home. Products continue to arrive, and after many weeks, it's time for demo and installation of our long awaited kitchen cabinetry. Today we've received another delivery, and it is actually the hardware for the cabinets in the kitchen. There we go. And we went with a color that's called Champagne Gold. Ooh, ooh, ooh. There are a lot of different companies. It depends on the budget. We had to, of course, find something that was affordable, but still gave a high-end look. But these are just simple. They're not too shiny of a gold, really pretty, almost a matte finish. When you're ordering stuff, you always want to go ahead and, quickly open your packages and check everything and make sure that all the pieces are good. Nothing is missing. This one has those screws in it too to keep everything together. But I wanted to see what one would look like. We'll stick it all back in the box after we check everything. But yeah, that's a good color. It's not too brassy. Our process for selecting hardware is style, color, budget, and placement. For variety and balance, we used handles on the freestanding pantry, trash drawer pull-out, and laundry room cabinets. This is our lovely towel, and remember, it's not about where you pick things, it's about where you get things from sometimes, but it's about what you select. And I'm thinking of doing very tight and not have a grout line, but I think that is super pretty. Our cabinets, we're going with the charcoal bottom. Pretty that is. Going with a cream upper. I'm gonna take a picture and send it to her. Can y'all see how pretty that is? It's super gorgeous. Here's the wallpaper. If you could see this paper right here, it is so freaking pretty. I mean, I know you can see it, but if you could just see it in person. I don't know if the computer's gonna show up. It has a gold on it. It has a shimmer. Oh, that's good right there. The perfect sheens to coordinate. Beautiful. So now we are waiting on the cabinets to arrive. That was one of the first things that I ordered because they usually take the longest. Oh, we actually selected the grout color yesterday too. Our color is Chapman. It's just a nice sagey tone. Let's toss that over there. But we both agreed that the moss would probably be the best option. We wanted to go a little darker. And it looks really good if we have to have just a little bit of a line of grout. Hey fam, I'm thrilled to announce that we are celebrating a remarkable milestone, my 10-year anniversary on YouTube. It's been an incredible journey filled with laughter, learning, and unforgettable moments, thanks to your unwavering support. This milestone is not just a celebration of the past decade, but a testament to the exciting future ahead. I'm bubbling with excitement for the years to come to bring to you with even more engaging content. Your continued support means the world to me. So if you haven't already, hit that subscribe button and join me on this fantastic adventure. And here's to many more years of creating, connecting, and celebrating together. Going because they already on the move. He said, so should we come over and demo? I said, demo today. Cabinets are coming. You're knocking them on down. So here's the light fixture for the dining room. All the fixtures, the rest of them are outside. So we got the fixtures in. Here go the hardware. That's here. We're going to probably end up having to shift all of this over. They be able to get back in here. And you can take a look at that. From the conception of this design, we knew the lack of storage was an issue. We solved this pain point by creating a custom built-in using additional kitchen cabinetry as a banquette base. By capturing this underutilized area with additional seating and storage that's aesthetically pleasing while adding value. Let me help you. We're going to go and start moving some stuff over. It's the storm before the calm, but when it's all said and done, it's going to look really, really beautiful. So cabinets are out. Out with the old. And now in with the new. They almost done. They have to move them appliances. Got one stack in already. Got 2 stacks of cabinets. We got one more. They have been delivered. This is a wonderful day when the cabinets are being delivered. Leon is doing a great job. I can't see anything because they're still boxed up. We're going to unbox in a minute. They look like they packaged pretty good. We say we didn't like?
What?
What type of cabinets?
Oh, shakers.
Shakers. Oh my God, everybody has the shaker. And shakers don't fit every house. Y'all, we know shaker cabinets are very affordable, but they don't fit every house. Didn't want that style, so we found a beautiful alternative. We still have a little work to do, so they're gonna put a little beam up to stop the mud from sliding. We're gonna do post lights on the caps. And walk up there. Hey, y'all working in a small space. It is. It's down to the bones. Look at this. Wow. Okay, so we about to have a Hillary love it or list it moment about the budget. Okay, we are wanting to do some things to the front. I know what you said the budget was for initial, and like I said, I've done my very best to get everything inside that amount. But look right there.
Okay.
We're gonna do that front railing.
Yes.
Absolutely.
Because it's just gonna bring it all together. Now when the people folks come for the template thing.
Soon as they get these in. Even if they get the bottom ones in and leveled out and not even do the top ones, I'm calling them. They gonna be moving fast. And then what time is it? Is this right on the thing?
It's 11:12. Yeah,
Do it, but I want it tight like that. They're gonna have to work it in there. I don't want a big, thick grout line.
Excuse me.
9 to 7.
Do you have any questions?
Right here. Okay, so Reggie, this is how we want to install the backsplash. We want it up and down like that. Yeah, brick. But I want it tight. I don't want
Right.
spacers. Yeah. If we can, and I do have a grout color. If we want it
Tight.
yes. Okay. Yeah. You like. You be making my life safe. Thank you so much.
I'll be back maybe in an hour. I'm going to coach to Lowe's.
Okay. Shoot.
Hey, they were just in here.
Everybody was in here too. It's right here. And then we're gonna clean up. We're gonna take this to the
I appreciate you, sir.
no more rubs.
Yeah, I know, right? I've been trying.
I like the weight of them, yeah. So
Oh yeah.
it's pretty. And then
Dirty.
yeah, and then the knobs. So they're not super gold, but they're gold like a soft, nice. Even a 1/4 inch counts in the kitchen. It's already taking shape. She's gonna keep the freezer. We just need to clean it up. Get this room looking beautiful. Y'all have to tune back in for part 4 of our small kitchen and home renovation series. See the final installation of products to complete our project. Thank you so much for stopping by and watching until the end. You can unlock your free download to help you avoid some common renovation mistakes by clicking the link in the information box below. And remember to subscribe to become part of my family in this momentous year. Connect with me on all my social platforms. Comment below if you've ever done a renovation. Now, I know y'all haven't seen all of my videos, but if you want to take a walk down memory lane, here you go.